Hey everyone. So today I decided to try this orange, red orange, and the dark brown transition contour lid. And I'm going to try my fluffy pastel brushes with the pretty flower. I know it's going to be a pain in the neck to clean, and since these are pigmented, I just took a little. Let's see how that works. And I used my Crayolan, the gold right here. I used that for the base color. Now let's go into the brown right here. Alright, I'm going to use this domed brush for the brown. This one is not coming off as pigmented. Let's see. I got it like on the corner, and then it's not like blending inward. Alright, that's better. I'm gonna put some more of that red to blend it out. Red orange, actually. I'm gonna go into that bright gold color right there. It's like a flat brush, flat shader brush. To this highlighting color right there. And then of course I'm going to use this color for the inner corners. You can see it's time to do the touch-up finally. Time to do the roots. Alright, so I'm just going to put a black liner mascara, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So this is the finished look. I'm telling you, this is like, I did not expect to love this palette so much. I'm just a Wet n Wild fan, but I'm in love with this palette. I don't know why. It just inspires me. And I just love it. I love it. The bright gold and that deep reddish orange with the brown. I really love it. The highlighter, this time, I just used the darker side, and I think it's too dark for me. I think I can mix it with the lighter side. I just wanted to try it. And it's a little too dark for me. I don't know. I like it better mixed. And then of course I wanted to try the gold today. So yeah, I want to try one more look with that palette.